Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
Northern and central New Jersey, issued at 4:27 p.m. Tuesday, July 28th. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots late. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Wave detail, southeast 5 feet at 6 seconds. A chance of thunderstorms.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until midnight tonight. At 7:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Quakertown, Percy, Durham, Souderton, Bedminster, Tinicum, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin, Fronttown, Milford, and Green Lane. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 31 and 40. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
South winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday night, south winds 5 to 10
At 7 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was cloudy.
Sunday,